Hello everyone. Today we are going to solve the next 5 questions of the KBS 2023 PGT Physics. Uh, our next question is the question number 91. As I can see, we are having two forces of 20 Newton I cap and F2 is 15 Newton I cap at simultaneously on an object of mass 10 kg. That means they have given us information mass equals to 10 kg, and here I cap and j cap are unit vectors along axis and y axis. As we all know, the acceleration of the object and the object has a magnitude and it makes an angle of dash with the x. That means we have to find out the acceleration of the object. Only the magnitude. They asked us only to find the magnitude and the angle with the x-axis. That is the thing we have to find out. So if I take the force, it will be F1 plus F2. So total force, that is resultant, will be F1 plus F2. So it will be 20 I cap plus 15 J cap. So if we find out the magnitude of this one, it will be root over of 20 square plus 15 square, and finally it will be root over of 625, which is 25. So force we have got 25 Newton, resultant force is 25 Newton. So we know that force equals to mass into acceleration. So 25 equals to mass is 10 kg, and acceleration we have to find out. It will be 2.5 meter per second square, and we have to find out the angle. So angle tan theta is equals to, so you have to understand this one with the x-axis. That means x is the base component, so it will be f1 as base component. It is a component along x-axis. So finally it will be 15 by 20 equals to 3 by 4, or theta is equals to tan inverse 3 by 4. So our correct option will be 2.5 meter per second square, tan inverse 3 by 4. Moving to the next one, question number 92. A ball of mass 0.30 kg strikes a rigid wall with a speed of 6 meter per second and is reflected with the same speed as shown in figure. The magnitude of impulse imparted of the to the wall by the imparted to the ball by the wall. We have to find out the impulse. So impulse is basically force into time, which is also change in momentum. That means you can also find out the m according to mathematical explanation, mb minus mu. But in this case, as you can see, the ball is traveling towards the wall and it is acting like this. So it will be this angle is, if this angle is theta, then this one will also be theta. So if the velocity is v, then it will be v cos theta, and this one will be v sin theta, that is the vertical component. And same for this one also, we can also divide this one with sin and cos component. So it will be v sin theta component, and this one will be v cos theta. Now if you look at this figure, there is no change in v sin theta component. That means when the ball is moving towards the wall, the v sin theta component is acting downwards, as well as when the ball is reflecting back from the wall, it is also acting in the downward direction. So there is no change in sin theta component, only the change we are getting in the horizontal component. So it will be final minus initial. Now if you look at this one, this v cos theta, there is initial part, or the that is just before the collision of to the with the wall. This component is acting in this direction, and after reflecting, there is a final one v cos theta is acting in the opposite direction. So we are considering this v cos theta as positive direction, and this one will be negative. So total momentum will be minus, or change in total change in momentum will be minus v cos theta minus v cos theta into the mass, or finally you can write minus 2 mv cos theta. So as you can see in the question, the magnitude, just they asked us to find out the magnitude, so finally just we have to find out the value. The mass of the ball is given 0.3 kg, and velocity is also 6 meter per second, and cos theta, that is cos 60, will be half. So finally we are getting 1.8 newton second. The option will be, third option will be the correct one. So, and moving to the question number 93, this is a very common question. We can see there are different masses connected by a string A, B, C, and D, and they have given that A is 5 kg, B 3 kg, C 2 kg, and D is 1 kg, and all of these are moving with the same force, 44 newton. So the whole system will have the same acceleration. That is, I'm writing as constant acceleration. Now we have to find out T2 by T3, the ratio of these two tensions. T2 is here and T3 is here. Now if I look at this one, T3 is pulling ABC. So T3 will be masses of mass of A, that is 5, plus 3 plus 2, that is total 10 kg, into acceleration, that is mass into, that is total will be 10A, and T2 will be, T2 is pulling A and B only, then it will be 5 plus 3 into A, that is 8A. This is not 8G, basically it is only A. So if I take the ratio of T2 by T3, it will be 8A by 10A. A will be cancelled out, so it will be 4 by 5. The option 4 is the correct one, 4 by 5. Moving to the question number 4, it is a little bit tricky one. Now there is a box of mass 0.8 kg. So the weight of the box will act in the downward direction, and weight, we know it is mg, is pressed against the wall, that is a force of 20 newton. So there are two forces are acting in this one, mg and 20 newton, and the resultant will act in this direction by the external forces. So the wall will give the reaction force on this one in this direction. So there is also the static friction coefficient achievement, they also give, they have also given 0.5, but it is of no need. We don't require this coefficient of static friction. They gave us uh, just to biased, just to make the whole question a little bit puzzling. So it is of no need, that 0.5. So by using the vector process or the resultant, we can easily find out 20 whole square, and mg will be, m is 0.8 and g is 10, it will be 8 square. So finally it will be root over of 464, and it is approximately 21.5 newton. So option 4 will be the correct one. Next question is question number 95. A boy lifts a ball of 250 gram vertically by a distance of 1.5 meter. What is the amount of work done by the boy? So it is a very easy one. So as the boy is moving in the upward direction, so the boy is doing the positive work, and work done, we know mgh. 250 gram means 250 by 1000 kg. G is 10 and h is given 1.5 meter. So after calculation, we can write 10 by 40, and it will be 1 by 4, then it will be 15 by 4, It will be 3.75 Newton meter. It will be the correct answer, 3.75. So this video is for up to this. The next video will solve from the question 96 to 100. Thank you.